this is Waldo.
Okay, ready?
He seems to like that toy.
Teddy. Right here. Good boy. Good boy.
He just came in tonight, so we're still evaluating him.
Drop it.
He likes to play with Brandy. She's on the couch.
Okay.
Non-stop.
Ready?
He's a good dog, very submissive.
Good boy. Okay.
And he does have energy. He likes to play.
Drop it.
Brandy.
Drop it. Okay, watch out, Peanut. Ready? Right here. Good boy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, no. You got to drop it. Oh, ready? Right.
Can he sit?
Okay, let me have it. Let me have it. Sit. Sit. Waldo. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come here.
So he does know what sit is. And he is obedient. He comes when we call him.
Come here. Good boy. He puts it in your hand, too.
Yeah.
Okay, let me have it.
So he knows what toys are.
We don't really know how to drop it too well, but alright, let me have it. Yeah. Sit. Drop. Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Okay.
Thank you.
We'll get more videos on Waldo soon. We're just learning a little about him.
Yeah. Oh.
That's Brandy.
Okay. Sit.
Growling. I don't know what she's growling about. She loves him.
Good boy.
I think she's exhausted. They've been playing for an hour.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna have it. Drop. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Waldo. Sit. Hey. Are you done? Hey.
He's tired.
Sit. Here. Hey, come here. Waldo. Sit. 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 No. No, you were doing so good.
Oh well, we'll work on that a little more. He's a good boy.
Here.